welcome to Sylvanimous Designs. Tonight I am back again with a couple more of these clear acrylic discs, but tonight, instead of having some soft pastel or really bright flower colors, I actually have a palette full of coffee browns. So I've got everything from burnt umber down to light buttermilk and then a beautiful champagne gold. And I am going to try to recreate some of these flowers that I've done before, but in a mixture of the browns. Just sort of interested to see how that would turn out. Primarily, I think I'm going to be using just the actual brown colors for those, and then the gold will be the highlights or maybe the centers. I'll kind of figure it out as I go. Thanks for joining me. are those finished. Now, again, sometimes it's just a smidge hard to see on the black surface, so I'm going to scoot these off and put them here on a white background. See if that helps you see them a little bit better. Actually, in this case, I think it actually is easier to see them on the black, so I'll shift those back in just a moment here. But just trying something a little bit different. Definitely went away from the realism of, the flowers and daisies, especially with this one here. Just experimenting a little bit, having a little bit of fun with some sparkly gold. I certainly hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me. I certainly do appreciate it. And as usual, if you've made it this far, make sure that you're subscribed. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.